too far. C&D's that way. And those need to be turned out to the front. So people can see when they walk right up here. All right.
These go back in. And the ones that you're carrying go right back in.
How they can see them stand up.
I don't know either. I guess we're getting them out of there.
It's just one of the many partners that really helped make this build possible. We've had many partners in play, DCNR, WellSpan Health. The City of Lebanon has also really been a really big partner in making this happen, and they've shown the commitment to enhance play in the neighborhoods, and they really rallied everybody together to come out today.
My sister, Mayor Kim Bracey from York City, is here. I love her. She's a wonderful woman, hardworking. Great city. Our county commissioners, Bill Ames and Joe Ellen Litz, are here today. Our City Council, Chairman Wiley Parker and Richard Wertz are here this morning. Of course, our friends from DCNR, Lori Yike. Our friends from PML, our Executive Director Richard Shetler and John Brenner. And all of our sponsors already mentioned by Derek. In addition, I just want to quickly point out some of our food sponsors. Turkey Hills, Sunset Outlets, the Kiwanis Club's doing the pancake breakfast. If you haven't gotten pancakes, please check them out. United Way, Big Daddy's, Hershey Foods, Iron Valley Real Estate, Wise Markets, Walmart, Frateroli's, Lula Row, can't read my own, Save a Lot, ICS, Domino's, Diffenbach, Giant, E&E Beer Warehouse. No, there is no beer here. Lebanon Federal Credit Union, Just Wing It, and Always Bagels. And then some of our other sponsors is the Lebanon Daily News. Jeremy Long is here taking pictures.
That includes my team leaders. You gotta lead by example. So you can all spread out. I'd say take your arms out. Make sure you're about an arm's distance away. We open up the body, open up the chest. Squeeze those arms. Go back, open the chest, open back. And it's okay, we're all doing it, so don't worry what you look like. It's all about the... High five, don't hit him in the face. Don't leave it here. Reach. Team leaders, can we get into a little more? All right, be mindful.
Anybody know?
Let's give you the...
A rock climbing wall. Cool. Good luck.
Thank you.
See
you, Dad.
You too.
Enjoy the park.
What are you guys putting together here? What are you guys assembling?
A scavenger hunt screen.
Oh, a scavenger hunt screen. That sounds like a lot of fun. Very cool. So what are you guys assembling here? Swing nami. Swing ami. Like a tsunami.
Right.
Okay. Oh wow. Sounds like it's really exciting.
I actually want to play. I just made it see that.
That's the first.
So what are you guys trying to assemble here?
And it does show putting.
We think it's a swing.
A swing. Oh. Like tree stump swing. Okay. Very cool. Michelle Fisher, what are you putting together?
What are we putting together? A playground.
Yeah, but what piece are you doing?
Steps, it looks like.
All right. These are your partners in crime, huh? All right. Nice to meet you. Oh, this is where all the muscle is. I can see it. Mixing the concrete. Nice job. Nice work, ladies and gentlemen. I didn't see you behind the tarp. Good job, ladies.